So this is the Quadratics Candyland game. You can either choose 1 to play on your own, 2 you can play with a family member, or option 3 you can actually share this Google slide with either a friend in class or multiple friends in class and verse each other. So it is up to you. We have some pieces down here which you can move these pieces. These are your game pieces. So everyone will need to pick a color. Now, when you start the game, you're obviously going to have to move your pieces. So if you go to the top, it says dice. So if I click on dice, I'm going to click roll die. And it says you rolled a 1. So then I would move my piece 1 space. Then my partner, whoever I'm going against, is going to roll the dice, and they got a 5. So then they're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. Now, if we're only playing with one other person, there's only going to be 2 pieces. If you want to play with more people, that's up to you. So now yellow landed on red. So this person is going to go to red and they're going to pick a problem. All of these numbers or all these problems go in order from 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. So honestly, you can just start with the first card. So the first one is number 1. I actually have to move this all the way down. And I'm going to solve this by completing the square. So on my work page that's attached in Canvas, if you want to print it out, or you can just write on a sheet of paper, you are going to solve this problem and you need to show your work. When you're done, make sure you cover the piece back up. And then your friend at the same time can be, that person's going to solve a pink card. So again, take away the pink. So you're going to solve this problem by using the quadratic formula. When you guys are both done solving your problems, you should check your answers here. And they're sorted by categories. So solving by completing the square. There's only 10 problems. I know there's extras on here, like this goes up to 20. I didn't include all of these problems. So only the first 10 are on here, besides the choosing your own method is actually yellow and blue, so there's actually up to 20 problems that's included. And then here's even graphing. So then you can check your answers on the answer key. When you're done, you're then going to go back, roll the dice again. So now you got a 3, so you're going to move 1, 2, 3. Now you're solving a yellow card, and then your friend's going to roll the dice, and they got a 5. So move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're going to pick a green card. Now, there's a key kind of in this corner right here so you can see what type of problem you are solving. When you are done, you need to make sure that you show all of your work, okay, not just the answer, because anyone can go over here and just copy down the answer. So I need to see the problem, your work, and the solution to at least 20 problems. And then you need to submit that into Canvas.